In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Typeform with Notion. This process is incredibly valuable as it enhances your workflow by connecting your forms or surveys directly to your Notion pages, allowing you to organize responses seamlessly. Let's dive into the steps to get started right away. First, you'll want to navigate to the Typeform website. You can easily do this by searching for Typeform in your preferred web browser or going directly to their homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Clicking that will take you to the Login page, where you can enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Typeform workspace. This is your dashboard, where all your forms reside. Take a moment to navigate around if you need to familiarize yourself with the current setup. From this workspace, you need to locate the Apps and Integrations section. Typically, there is a dedicated button or link in the sidebar or the top navigation menu leading you to this section. Once you are in Apps and Integrations, the next step is to find Notion among the available apps. Use the search bar provided in the Apps and Integrations directory and type in Notion. It's a handy way of filtering through numerous apps if you're having trouble spotting it right away. Once Notion appears in the search results, click on it to proceed. After selecting Notion, you should see an option to add the integration. Click on the Add button. This action initiates the integration process between Typeform and Notion. Follow any prompts or on-screen instructions that may appear during this setup. Remember, integrating over these platforms usually requires authentication. Make sure you are ready to permit both Typeform and Notion to communicate with each other. You may be asked to log into your Notion account if you aren't already. Typeform requires this access to be able to push your form data directly into your Notion pages. Once the connection is established, you can start setting up how you want the data to flow from Typeform to Notion. You'll need to specify which Typeform responses you want to send to Notion and how they should be formatted within your Notion pages. And that's it. Your integration is now set up, and you're ready to start collecting responses in Typeform and having them neatly organized within Notion. By following these steps, you've streamlined your data collection process in a way that's both efficient and time-saving. Thanks for joining me today. Happy integrating!